On the top our pull down menus we have one up here called plot. If you click on plots, plot and PPF editors, and we're going to go down until we find drainage. Okay, we're not going to plot in plan view, just drainage, which is the long sections, okay? Plots, plot and PPF editors, drainage. PPF is just plot print file. Okay, we need to browse for a PPF editor, and I've got them already set up. Click on a little yellow folder. Browse to wherever you've saved these things from, from Moodle. In my case, they should be on my flash drive. Okay, there's two there that you'll have on Moodle. One is Neil Drainage, which is for stormwater, and the other one, Neil Wastewater Drainage, obviously is for wastewater. So it's nice and simple. So I'm going to select Neil Drainage.drain PPF, and like everything with these things, once I've selected it, you have to click Read. I'm going to use View to load details from, in my case is View 2, wherever you've got the section. Okay, it automatically populates the network model, and it defaults to a scale of 1 to 500, which will be fine for us. The plotted type is a model, so it's going to create a model within 12D. If we wanted to, you can select all these. I could have written it straight out to AutoCAD, which is what I'd normally do at work, so it'd slot into a plan sheet set. But in this case, we're going to keep it within 12D, and we'll just call it Stormwater Long Section. Then I'm going to click Plot. Okay, if I minimise that for a second. What I want you to do to make it easy for me to mark is I want you to set up a view for each of these long sections so I can find them nice and easy. Or sometimes what it tries to do at 1 to 500 is it'll fit as many into an A1 sheet as it can. So I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to go View, View, Create, Plan View. Now the difference between just going View New Plan and View Create Plan is that this gives me the opportunity to label the viewport, the view. Okay, I'm going to select Plan, and this one I'm going to call Stormwater Long Section, and Create. Come up to my Models to Add tab. Okay, there's 3 of these I'm going to need. And there I'll just turn on the model that Stormwater LS1. This starts with it's plotted out every stormwater long section within my network. Okay, and it's got the first 2 lines here. I'm going to go View, Create, Plan View. This time I'm going to go Stormwater LS2, Create. I can turn on LS2. There's my next one. You can see that I've preset this so that I've got all the settings that I want. This is set up so that when I hand it to council, it gives all the information that I want. You can edit these plot files to put whatever information you like, basically. I like to summarise it into my design flows, capacity flows, pipe sizes, grades, etc, etc. Okay, this is just how I like it. And finally I'm going to have Views, Create, Plan View, and I'll have one called Stormwater LS3. Create, and I just turn that model on. Okay, so when I come to mark this model, I've finished that. When I come to mark this assignment, okay, here's my plan view, and okay, yes, I can look and see how flash it looks and how it looks in plan view. And when I come to mark, all I need to do is click on these, and the information's already up there for me. Okay, so it's the final question on your assignment sheet. I want you to use the Neal drainage for your stormwater, Neal wastewater drainage for the wastewater, and I want, it doesn't, you know, obviously it's not every individual line, whatever blocks it's broken it down to so it fits in sheets. I want, in my case I've got 3 stormwaters, it might be 2 wastewaters, whatever that is, that's what I want seen in your assignment, just so it makes it easy for me to mark. It also means that I can see that you can use the block file editors. Does anyone not understand how to use them or where to find them? Okay, it's pretty simple. As long as you've got the, as long as you have, remember that once you select the plot file editor, you have got to click read. Otherwise, it'll just run the default one, and it can be. I've got no idea what kind of information it'll put on there. Happy days? Marvellous.